Are you driving a modern V8 engine that shuts down cylinders to save gas, but now it is running rough? You might be seeing code P3416. This code stands for Cylinder 2 Exhaust Valve Control Circuit High. It is common on vehicles from Dodge, Jeep, Chevrolet, and Chrysler that feature cylinder deactivation technology. Essentially, your car tries to save fuel during highway driving by turning off 4 of the 8 cylinders, turning your V8 into a V4. To do this, the engine control module uses solenoids to turn off the exhaust valves for specific cylinders. This specific code means the computer is seeing voltage or resistance that is too high on the circuit for the cylinder number 2 solenoid. When this happens, the computer might disable the fuel injector for that cylinder to protect the engine, which you will feel as a nasty misfire or vibration. You might also notice poor fuel economy, and of course, a check engine light. The severity here ranges from moderate to severe. A misfire is never good for your engine and can cause long-term damage if ignored. So what causes it? It could be a failed variable valve, timing solenoid, bad wiring, or corroded connect. However, one of the most common causes is actually low engine oil level or oil pressure. These systems rely on oil pressure to work, so if you are low on oil, the system fails. Your first troubleshooting step is simple check your oil level. If it is low, top it off and see if the code clears. If the oil is fine, you need to inspect the wiring near the exhaust manifold for cylinder 2. Because it is hot down there, wires can get burned or rub against metal. Look for corrosion in the connectors as well. If the wiring looks solid, you generally use a multimeter to check the resistance of the solenoid itself and compare it to the manufacturer's specifications. If the solenoid is open or shorted, it needs to be replaced. Sometimes sludge blocks the oil passages leading to the solenoid, so keeping your oil clean is the best prevention. If you have verified the oil, wiring, and solenoid are good, you could be looking at a rare engine control module failure. If you are not comfortable testing electrical circuits or digging into the engine valve cover, this is definitely a job for a qualified mechanic. Keep that oil changed and hopefully, you can get back to smooth driving on all 8 cylinders.